How many years do you need to learn to be able to speak English?
I have to learn at least 1 year to be able to speak English. I need many years to know how to speak English.
How many lessons do you learn a day?
I only learn one lesson a day. I cannot learn many lessons like you. I am not intelligent. I am not as smart as you. For me, one lesson is enough to learn for a day.
How many minutes do you have for presentation?
I have 15 minutes for presentation. I am a presenter for today. I have prepared my best for presentation. Today I will talk about my family in front of the class. Please listen to me carefully when I speak.
How much do you understand the lesson?
I understand a little bit. I don't understand much. Today lesson is confusing. Lesson is not simple.
How long do you stay in the class every day?
I stay in the class for 1 hour every day. During 1 hour I listen to my teacher's English. I learn and practice with my classmates. I am so delighted to learn with my classmates because they are hungry for success. They are ambitious.
Do you know how long I memorize the lessons?
Yes, I know how long you memorize the lessons. You memorize for 1 hour. But I don't think 1 hour is enough.
How many people do you see here?
I see many people here. Some are Buddhist monks. Some are company workers.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters. One is older than me. The other is younger than me. Both of them are so pretty.
How much do you try to have English ability?
I try as much as can to have English ability.
How much do you learn from the class?
I don't learn a lot. I learn a few lessons for the class. I learn a little by a little because slow learning is better for my English.
How much energy do you use in the class?
I use a lot of energy in the class. Especially when I repeat the lesson. I want to have a good understanding and accent. That's why I have to use mental energy and physical energy when I practice the lesson.
How much confidence do you have in speaking English?
I have plenty of confidence to speak English. I have no fear. I have no worry. I have no hesitation to speak English because I do homework every day.
How much grammar do you study from this class?
I study a lot of grammar. I need grammar to speak English correctly. I need grammar to write systematically. But I don't memorize grammar. I just study grammar with phrases to remember for long.
How much do you want from me?
I want $50,000 from you. Help me please. I have no money to pay the class fee for this month. I have no money to pay the rent for this month. I have no money to pay bus fare if I go to work.
How much food do you eat for a meal?
I eat a little bit of food. I am not a big eater. I don't eat a lot because I am losing weight.
How much time do you have for presentation?
I have 15 minutes to make a presentation. I am still afraid to talk in front of the people. I am still worried about making mistakes with English.
How much money do you spend in the morning?
I only spend $100 in the morning. I don't eat any food for breakfast. I just drink some tea. $40 are for a cup of tea. $20 are for 3 cigarettes. The other $40 are for the bedel.
How much fun do you have in the class?
I have a lot of fun. We have many girls in the class. They are beautiful. They are gorgeous. They are friendly. They treat the boys nicely. We also interesting lessons.
How old are your parents?
My dad is 45 years old. My mom is 40 years old. They love each other. They start their marriage with zero. I mean, they have nothing when they marry. But they work hard.
How long is the class?
The class is 1 hour long. I learn in the class from 8 to 9 in the morning. I do the class activities during 1 hour. The class activities are learning, reading, and practicing.
How long is your job?
My job is for 8 hours a day. I am a supervisor in the company. My job is to lead my workers and to show them how to do their job. My job is not easy because there are many problems.
How many friends do you have in the class?
I have a lot of friends in this class. I have many friends because I am friendly. People like me because I am sociable. People love me because I am honest.
How many subjects do you study from university?
I have many subjects to study from university. But I specialize in English. English is my favorite subject. When I take tests, always have full marks in English subject.
How many classes do you attend per day?
I don't have many classes. I only have one class. The name of the class is LBS. LBS is abbreviation for learning by subconscious. L is short for learning. B is short for by. S stands for subconscious.
How many jobs do you do for your living?
For my living, I do 3 jobs every day. In the morning, I work as a salesman. In the afternoon, I work as a delivery man. At night, I work as a taxi driver.
Do you know how many holidays I have?
Yes, I know how many holidays you have. You have 2 holidays.
How many family members are there in your family with you?
There are 6 family members including me. They are my father, my mother, 2 elder brothers, 1 younger sister and me.
How much is this book?
This book is $200. It's about education. Will you buy? If the book is about education, I will surely buy. Here is $200 for the book.
How many students are there in the class with you?
There are about 50 students with me in the class. We all study the same level. We learn and practice together happily every day. We always have a good time in the class.
How much money is there in your wallet?
There is only a little money in my wallet. A cup of coffee is $12. A bowl of shan noodles is $80. I have no enough money for them. I don't dare to go to the tea shop with a little money. Let's go back, my friends. It's better to eat at home.
How much beer is there in the fridge?
There is a lot of beer in the fridge. I invited my friends to my birthday party. They are going to arrive here soon. If there is no enough beer, we have to buy more.